Hey, many of you asked me what indicators I use or what are the most useful indicators for day trading. So I thought maybe just making this quick video for my members so that we all know like which one to use and how to use, right? So first of all, like just want to give some example today that like in the trading ideas I post pre-market. So the one I normally target, which are having lots of volume and they're very volatile, so good for day trading stock, right? Now if I come up with 5 or 6 ticker symbol, maybe 3 or 4 will move and not all of them. Like as an example, today you can see that I have few tickers 4, 5, 6, but you can see that few move: PRQR, ORIC, then CORJ, ISO. They move more than 100%. So anyway, so let's talk which ones to use for trading, right? So let's have a quick talk. So first of all, I use EMA, and if you use trading view, you can always write EMA. Then it will show moving average exponential. So once you add, it will just by default come with something. So when you click on this, so you can just change to 9. It means this is 9 EMA. Then you can add another one. You can make it 21, another one around 48. Why I'm having so many? Okay. So for quick move, I'm going to turn off. So the 9 EMA is the purple line. If I add the 21 EMA, that's the blue line, right? So some people use 9 and 20 crossover, meaning that when the purple is going over the blue, things are getting bullish, right? Quick crossover. Some people use not 921, they want a little bit more, so they use 13 and 48. So here you can see that the 13 is the blue and 48 is the yellow one. So the confirmation comes little later, but it is better because this is using 48 candles, right? So it came little later. So today I was using 13 and 48 crossover, and if you remember ISO, I was talking about entry around 0.96, and yeah, it did a nice move today. You can see that from here it went like almost like 70-80% up. Not even more, like end of the day, I think from here it went all the way to 1.95, more than 100% move. So anyway, so whether you use 921 or 1348, up to you. 1348 on a 1 minute is also good. So thing is, when your 13 crosses 48, things are bullish. So as long you can see that the stock is very good, and it is holding this 13 area, so you can play it all the way as long it is holding this 13. So once the 13 is broken, you get out, or you wait till this 13 blue line will cross over 48. So this is the entry, this is the exit. This is one strategy. At the same time, sometimes I look at the MACD. You can see that the MACD here, at the same time when things are getting bullish, you can see that the MACD crossover happening, meaning that there is more buyers coming. You can also use RSI, but normally I do not use a lot of indicator. MACD sometime, but sometime I just look at my support resistance. As an example, this one, okay, the stock is holding the support 0.9, and now I see the EMA crossover. Okay, now we get in with a stop loss. Whenever I enter, use a stop loss. In terms of stop loss, it can be like 2%, 3%. You can also use trailing stop loss. Maybe I will just make another video on how to set trailing stop loss when you enter your trade. So you will always have a stop loss. At the same time, as long the share price is going up, you will make money. When it will starts coming down, you will just get out automatically. Okay, so let me know if you want another video on trailing stop loss. But anyway, that's the whole thing. The other thing, sometimes some people they use VWAP. This is also good. I'm not saying it is bad. This is the volume weighted average price, and you can see the dotted line here. So what does it mean when the price is over this VWAP? This is a good one. Some people also use the blue 9 or 13 EMA line and VWAP crossing. So when things are really moving, you can see everything is looking good, right? These EMA lines are going over VWAP. Your price is going over VWAP, and everything is looking good. And during the whole day, the price was over VWAP. So you can also add this. It's up to you how you want to use this. So this is something. Let's have a look on CORZ today. So if I add let's say I'm gonna add 13 EMA and 48 EMA and see how they perform today. You can see that right at the market open, they almost crossing here, right? They almost crossing here. If you enter here from this particular area, and it went all the way, which is 120% move. If I add MACD here, you can see that even the MACD, let me show you. Sorry, I'm gonna add MACD here, MACD, MACD, and let's see MACD. You can also see after the market open, things are going higher. MACD, there is a crossover. Let me zoom out. You see the crossover here, right at 933. The blue is going over the orange, meaning that more buyers are coming. So your MACD is giving confirmation. Your EMA crossover is giving confirmation. You can play this all the way towards 14-15 cents. The other one, SWVL, we know it was very high pre-market, then it was coming down. So even though I gave a support around 13 cents, but it's your job to look whether it is holding. Just do not blindly get in at 0.13 because you need to see how things are happening. Like it's coming down, right? It's not very strong. If I use even 9 and 21 EMA crossover, you can see that right from here, things are not bullish, right? Even though it came here, but your 9 EMA line is below the 21 EMA. At the same time, the price is always below the 9 EMA line. Things are really, really bearish. There is no point of entering here because it's always bearish. The only thing you see a crossover when it comes here. If you want, you can enter. You can see a crossover. You can enter here. So important thing is like do not blindly enter. Like you always have to use EMA line or MACD or something. Let's add MACD to this particular chart and see what MACD is doing. You can see that right here at the market open, MACD is not looking good. 930, we are right here. You see the MACD is not more buying pressure. Pre-market, you see the buying pressure, things are looking good, but here everything is coming down. So why you will enter here when everything is not working on your way? You can use this also for SPY. Look how SPY did today. I have the 3 lines here, 9, 21, 48. See what's happening. Pre-market, these lines were acting like a resistance. The market opened, the price tried to push, got rejected at 48 EMA, and throughout the day it came down, tried to push again, got rejected at 21 EMA. You can see that. So using EMA line, you can always play even SPY, right? The only time you see the price went over here when it went over the EMA lines, meaning that reversals are coming, and it's true, the reversal came. So spend some time, add EMA lines to your chart. You can also add a VWAP. If you add VWAP here, you can see how SPY was trading, right? It was always below the VWAP, right? At one point it came. So anyway, I do not use VWAP all the time, but these EMA lines are really, really helpful, especially if you are day trading with me. And if you have something like this, right, and you can always use the EMA line. You can see how they're performing. And obviously, when you have a stop loss, whatever platform you're using, have a stop loss. Like this is TradingView. If you're using TradingView, you can always use stop loss. If I'm down $20, you can set your stop loss. So if you're down by $20, that's it, you are getting out, right? So let's say I'm buying 1,000. Yeah, so the good thing is that my maximum loss is 20. So if I enter, I'm down $20, I'm out automatically, right? It will calculate everything. You can say, okay, if I'm down by 3%, I want to get out. In that case, 3%, this is, you can set here, and it will change. So anyway, let me know if it helps, and let me know also if you want a video on trailing stop loss, then I can make another one for you. Anyway, thanks again, take care. And by the way, we got some big moves today, right? So congratulations again, and take care. Bye.